You need to cut that shit off.
Cut that shit, cut that shit, cut that shit. Cut it off, cut it off, cut it off, cut it off.
Hey yo, what's poppin' YouTube? It's King Bril coming back at you again with another video, and today we have the 5 top hairstyles to take you into 2022. Let's get into it. Before we dive into today's video, I just wanted to say that the overall state of men's hair has completely transformed in the last 2 to 3 years, man. And I really could not have done this without you guys. I don't know why I'm saying I've done this, like the whole culture revolves around me or some shit like, right? But yeah, man, I just wanted to say that the whole state of men's hair over the last 2 or 3 years has changed dramatically, man. Thanks to people like me, thanks to people like you guys for watching the videos and doing the routines and taking care of your hair. Thanks to people like Marlon, Jawan, even the OGs, 360 Jeezy, Sir Cruz. Sir Cruz got braids now, y'all. I don't think y'all seen this. Like, I grew up with this man having waves and he got braids now, bro. I don't want to say that he watches my channel. I don't want to say that he's influenced by my wave, you know what I'm saying? Bro, listen, bro. The whole culture is shifted, man. I'm proud to be what I consider to be right in the middle, right in the eye of the hurricane of the whole culture of men's hair, man. And you know what I'm saying? All my fellas out there that's really taking care of it. All my ladies out there that's still on the journey, you know what I'm saying? You ain't got tired of your hair. You still like doing the natural curls, whatever you do. Thank you for trailblazing the way. And let's get into this video, man. Let's not get too long-winded. All right, just like y'all ordered, man, coming in at number 5 for the top 5 hairstyles of 2022. Number 5 out of 5 is the curly fro, man. The curly fro, that involves the curly hook fro with the temp, the curly high top, all of that stuff where you got your curls popping, all that stuff, man. And I know some of y'all might be thinking like, yo, I love the curls. What's up with the curls? Why they only number 5? Why they don't just number 5 and not higher up? I'm gonna just be real with y'all, man. It's wintertime, man. Curly hair will never be at full prominence, you know what I'm saying? No one will ever really appreciate super curly hair in the wintertime, man, just because it's a pandemic, you know what I'm saying? It's still kind of a pandemic. Things may or not shut down, you know what I'm saying? People might be vaxxed, might not be vaxxed, or whatever the case is, man. People are just getting lazy with their hair, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hats and snapbacks are coming out, man. If you ain't got enough hair to braid it, you kind of lazy in the routine. If you still doing the curly hair stuff, man, it's like you are 1 in a million because people are getting lazy, especially if you really doing your regimen, man. If I was you, now would be the time for me to go even harder because I'm the only one out here really killing with curls like that, you feel me? So yeah, number 5 is the curly fro, bro. Let's move on. Coming in at number 4, y'all, this style right here honestly might end up being number 1 or number 2 by the time we get in the middle of the summer, and depending on if we shut down or stay open. If we stay open and it goes to summertime 2022, this is probably gonna be number 2 or number 1, man. And that is waves, man. Listen, dog, a lot of people been growing their hair out, man. And because a lot of people been growing their hair out, I know that there's about to be a shift in the culture, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm not cutting mine, but it's finna be a shift. So if you only grew your hair out to be like everybody else, you might as well go and cut it, bro, because it's finna be a crazy wave. I'm talking about like the 2018 wave checks, niggas taking the do-rags off. Like, hey, yo, let's see the waves type niggas brushing, walking down the street. That's finna come back in June 2022. So, you know what I'm saying? Right now it's number 4. But if I were to do another video like this in 2022 in the summertime, June, waves might be number 1 or number 2, you feel me? And not just any type of waves, you know what I'm saying? If you still doing the full season waves, like you ain't got no type of fading, you lame, my boy. I'm just gonna go say it. You a lame, man. You a lame, man. Nigga. What are you doing, bro? You need some type of fading on your junk, man. If you got waves and you don't got some type of fading, you know, it's not 2007, my boy. Come on, catch up, bro. And here's the rule for waves, you feel me? The more hair you got on your face, the less hair you have on your head. Does that make sense? So if you got like a full beard, that's when you go with the high joint, I'm talking about like the Nas tight fade, like super high fade. You might even get a moon part and you got the waves busting down on top. If you like me and you can do all of this, but this right here don't really connect, then you might be better off to go with the low fade, you know what I'm saying? The low fade or even the temp fade. Low fade or temp fade, that's your thing, man. If you ain't really got no facial hair except a mustache, you might legit need to, you know, temp fade, maybe not even low fade, man, because, you know, the beard game is affecting all of this right now, you know what I'm saying? Everything is interdependent on how much facial hair you have. So I would say stick with a temp fade and just have a full 360 waves busting if you just got the mustache and the goatee, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with that. I rock that look for, you know what I'm saying, a long time. Not to mention, if, you know what I'm saying, pimping is pimping, baby boy. It don't matter what kind of facial hair you got. I think I heard Lou Will say it, man. It ain't what's on you, it's what's in you. You know what I'm saying? It ain't about what's on your face, it's about the pimping that's in your blood, you feel me? Alright. Anyway, let's moving on. Coming in at number 3 for the top 5 hairstyles of 2022. Number 3 is just like the last number, like just like number 4, number 3. This one can easily end up being number 1 or number 2 by the middle of the summer in 2022. I personally think it's gonna be number 1, you know what I'm saying? And that's not because, you know, it's based off of what I like best, it's based off of what I'm seeing the culture take a hold of, you feel me? Dreads is number 3, bro. Like, the dreads is number 3 and it's rising fast. Like, it's not even the fellas who are making the dreads rise crazy, it's the ladies, man. It's the ladies. Like, what the did I eat? I need some water. This video is sponsored by V8. Not really, but I just like V8 juice. But nah, like I was saying, man, the ladies are locking it up, bro, and it's looking good, bro. Like, the locks, whether they like the faux locks, where they get like additional hair and it's kind of locked up, or whether they locking their real hair, the ladies is kind of diving head first into the lock game, you know what I'm saying? So between them and the dudes who already got locks and is dropping, the lock game is going crazy right now. Shout out to Gunther the Great, and it's another, dang, I hate when I do this. It's another bull that dang, he brown skin too. He got dreads and stuff, but he was making dread videos. I was watching some of his videos, you feel me, just to see how he give it up, man. But shout out to Gunther, man, because dreads is going crazy right now. Like, everybody is locking up right now. Well, a lot of women are locking up, you know what I'm saying? What's left of the natural hair community in terms of for women, not men, but for women, they're either braids, wigs, or dreads. Like, it's not many ladies who are, you know what I'm saying? It's a couple with short hair that might curl up, but you know what I'm saying? It's normally either one of them 3 for them. But yeah, man, dreads might just end up being number 1 when it's all said and done, like in the middle of the summer 2022. But we just gotta kind of wait and see, man. Right now it's number 3 and it's rising. Next up, we're just gonna take this screen, we're gonna take this right here, and we're gonna take this right here and we're gonna pull it like this. Shut it, you know what I'm saying? And you already know what's number 2 right now. Once again, I told y'all number 3 and number 4 could easily be number 1 and number 2. And me personally, I think number 2 might drop back to number 4 by the time the summertime get here. But it's still gonna be hot because a lot of people's hair is just now getting long enough to do it. And that's braids, man. But when I say braids, I'm not talking about box braids, not talking about the ASAPs, not talking about Travis Scott braids. I'm talking about corn rolls. I'm talking about the braids that stay on your head until they hit the back of your neck. Like, we not talking about like the bun, like how you get the bun in the back. We not talking about the bun up top. I'm talking about like no temp fade braids hanging down your neck. Like, you might get styles up here, but then they hang down. Like, that's where we at right now. That's number 2. That's the hottest thing ever. It's normally how I have my hair. I just, you know what I'm saying, decided to do something a little bit different. I literally rock cornrows for like 6 months. If you're new to this video, you might not know how I look on a regular basis or know what hairstyle I do, but if you watch my channel regularly, you already know Bril had the same cornrows. Not the same, I get them redone, but the kind of same style of cornrows for like 6 months because it was fire, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Cornrows is number 2 right now. You know, this video is still technically, it was made in 2021, but I'm forecasting, you know what I'm saying? So right now, braids is number 2. By the summertime, it might be number 4, number 5. It might still be number 2, number 1, but I feel the change, you know what I'm saying? My spidey senses, I feel a change in the area. It might be a hairstyle that's not even on this list to come and take number 1, you feel me? But be on the lookout, fellas, because I feel a change coming, you know what I'm saying? That doesn't mean cut your hair. If you weren't already gonna cut your hair, don't just cut it, you know what I'm saying? I'm telling y'all to just wait because it's coming. I don't know what type of wave it is, but it's coming. It might be waves, might be dreads. Listen, it's a new wave coming, you know what I'm saying? And with that, it takes me to the number 1 hairstyle of 2022. Not for the summer, I'm talking about like New Year's, January 1st, 2022. Number 1 is 2-strand twist, man. Listen, y'all see me, man. If you've been watching my channel, you already know that I don't rock 2-strand twists like that, just to be real. I felt like my hair was too long for it, just to be real with you. I just, you know, having this much hair just hanging like this is kind of and it don't really last as long as braids, but 2-strand twist is the hottest thing that you can do, bro. at this point in time in 2022, because it's like it has something that the other things don't have. Like, you got the versatility, because you got 2-strand twists. You can always take them out and do curls. You can always fade it up. You can always put your hair up, put it to the side. You can do stuff with it, but it's not out, so you don't have to worry about doing something to it every day like if you got a fro. But you also don't have to have a crazy amount of hair like you do to have cornrows that really look good. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can have short ass twists and you can have long ass twists. Like, you can have short ass twists. I done seen people with twists this long. Their 2-strand twists are this long. Like, they might be 8 months into their hair journey, but theirs look more fire than, some of them look more fire than mine, bro. And mine is, my hair is, this shrinkage, bro. This is shrinkage, man, but their hair is crazy, man. And then, you know how I told you that a lot of women were locking up? They're not getting their hair like twisted, locking up. No, I don't think many people are getting their hair like completely twisted and dreaded when they go get dreads no more. They're getting 2-strand twists and they're just rocking out. Like, they're just like letting their hair stay in 2-strand twists forever. You know what I'm saying? And then maybe when they get a retwist, they might twist it the regular way. But they're starting them like this. Like, they get 2-strand twists and they just let the shit sit there, bro. I don't know, because I ain't never had dreads, but I kind of like just letting them sit in 2-strand twists. You feel me? Like, I don't know, man. It's this thing I'm gonna have to grow with it. The last time I had 2-strand twists, I only did 2-strand twists for the twist out. You know what I'm saying? Like, I did it so I can get fire curls when I take them out. I didn't rock them because the style was fire. You know what I'm saying? Even though it is. But yeah, man. 2-strand twist, man. You see that, man? I really look like Justin Jefferson right now, bro. Like, you feel me? Hold on, let me try something right quick. How did my giddy look? Did it look good? Did it look good? I don't know. But anyway, yeah, man. 2-strand twists are coming. Man, listen, bro. If you got enough hair, get 2-strand twists. You know what I'm saying? You can use rubber bands sometimes. You know, sometimes you don't use rubber bands. But they're the most fire thing. Oh, that's one thing. That's one thing I was gonna say. 2-strand twists never lasted for me. This is gonna be a long video. I'm sorry. 2-strand twists never lasted for me, cause I used to just let it rock out. Just let it be scalp right here. You know what I'm saying? Like, I would twist it from the root, but dang, that giddy got me out of breath. What I realized was you gotta braid this part, you know what I'm saying? You gotta braid, like, I don't know if y'all can see it, but like, you really gotta braid, tell shorty to braid this part and then start twisting, you know what I'm saying? It's like a braid into 2-strand twist, and that's why I didn't want to do it. I never kept my 2-strand twist for long because the roots would get crazy, and if I put a rubber band at the root, it would look like, it would look too Snoop Dogg pigtailish. You know what I'm saying? It would look too much like that. And I didn't want that effect, you feel me? So I got the braid at the tip. You know what I'm saying? I don't got no rubber bands at the end, so we gonna see how long it's gonna last. Some of them are already coming unraveled, and I kind of just got them done, like what, a couple hours ago. But we gonna rock out and see, man. See what it's like. If you guys got any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down below. If you know of any more fire hairstyles that you see on the rise, drop them down in the comments. Because like I said, this video is for right now. This is not a covering all of 2022 video. I gave you my predictions for the summertime, but right now, this is what's going on. 3 out of 4 of these could be off the list as we get into 2022. You know what I'm saying? It's not my job to forecast and tell y'all what to do. It's my job to be a thermostat and tell y'all, like, yeah, it's 74 degrees outside. That's my job, you feel me? I tell y'all what's going on to make sure y'all not late, making sure y'all keeping up, making sure y'all got some new sauce. If you bored with your hair, what to do, how to take care of it, all that stuff, man. Yeah, bro, you know what I'm saying? That's pretty much it, man. You got any more questions, comments, concerns, let me know down below. And don't forget, this video is sponsored by Rich Royals Luxuries, man. If you're not shopping with Rich Royals, if you're not taking care of your hair, if you're not deep conditioning, if you're not using the Majestic Mint Oil by Rich Royals at richroyals.com, what are you really doing, my guy? You feel me? You feel me? All right, then. With that being said, it's King Bril. Peace.